Hello students, in last lecture we have solved examples from practice set 4.2. In that lecture we have solved and explained the examples up to example number 5. Now we are going to solve example number 6. It is example of preparation of the tax invoice using given information. First, we will read example. Prepare business to customer, that is B2C tax invoice using given information. Write the name of supplier, address, state, date, invoice number, GSTIN, etc. as per your choice. Supplier Messrs dash dash. Here we have to write the name of supplier, address, state, date, invoice number, GSTIN. These are the things to be included in GSTIN. Then particulars, that is the goods which customer purchase. These are first mobile battery, rate of mobile battery rupees 200, rate of GST 12%, HSN code 8507, and he purchased one piece of mobile battery. Then second item, rate of headphone rupees 200, rate of GST 18%, and HSN code is given and one piece is purchased by customer. Here rate of headphone is 750 rupees, 750 rupees. Now we will see how to prepare the invoice of these goods. Let us prepare invoice. First we have to write supplier, give any name of supplier. We have shown here Messrs. Next part we have to write, say Ajay Mobiles. We have to write address here, shop number, say 28 MG Road, Nashik, state Maharashtra, then date of invoice. Here we will write date, say 1st January, that is 01/01/2020. Then we have to write invoice number, say invoice number 00 or 095, any number up to 100. We have to write GSTIN, GSTIN 27 is state code. Then next 5 digits or next 10 digits are of the PAN number, A P Q N D 1857 B. First 5 digits are alphabets, next 4 are numericals, and last also alphabet. Then last 3 digits are I, Z, 5. This is 15 digit GSTIN. First 2 digits shows state code. Then next 10 digits shows the PAN number of firm. In these 10 numbers, 5 digits are alphabets, next 4 digits are numericals, and 10th digit is again alphabet. Then I, Z and 5 are constant for each. Then the columns are, first column will be serial number, next HSN code of the item, then next will be name of product, then rate of the product, then quantity. In short, I am here writing QTY. Then taxable amount. These columns must be learned by you. Taxable amount. Then in GST, first column is CGST, second is SGST. Rate of CGST and amount of tax here. Here also rate and tax. And the last column will be total rupees. In serial number, first item, see in our example, first item is mobile battery. Here name of the product, mobile battery, HSN code 8507. Then rate of mobile battery rupees 200, quantity 1, therefore taxable amount will be rupees 200. Rate of GST is 12%, therefore rate of CGST 6% and rate of SGST will be 6%. Therefore this amount of CGST will be 6 into 2 rupees 12 and amount of SGST is also rupees 12. Therefore total amount will be 200 plus 12 plus 12, that is 224 rupees. Then second, next item is headphone. Headphone HSN 8518. Then rate of headphone is rupees 750 per piece. Quantity he purchased 1 headphone, therefore taxable amount will be rupees 750. Rate of GST on headphone is 18%, therefore rate of CGST 9% and rate of SGST also 9%. 9% of 750, if you calculate it on rough page, it will be rupees 67.50. 67.50 rupees. Then SGST will also 67.50 rupees, and this total amount will be 885 rupees. 885 rupees. Thus in this last row we have to mention amount of CGST, amount of SGST, that is total. Amount of CGST will be 67.50 plus 12, that is 79.50 rupees. Amount of SGST will also 79.50 rupees, and total amount to paid by customer will be rupees 1109 rupees, means 1109 rupees to pay for customer. This is the invoice to prepare by student. First mention name of supplier, address of supplier, state of supplier, then under which there is invoice number, any number as per your choice you can give, then GSTIN in this upper right corner, 15 digit GSTIN, date of invoice. Here I write 1 January or 1st January 2020. You can write any of the date. Then the columns, see again, first column is serial number, second is HSN code, then name of the product, rate, quantity, how much quantity. If he purchased 2 mobile batteries, then he write 2, and then taxable amount will be 400 rupees. But here he purchased only 1 battery, therefore this taxable amount is rupees 200. Then 2 columns of GST, that is CGST and SGST. In each, under each column there is a rate of tax and amount of tax, therefore rate, tax, rate and tax. And again last column is total amount, that is to purchase mobile battery he has to pay rupees 224. 200 is taxable amount and 24 rupees is CGST plus SGST. Then next item, headphone, rate of GST 18%, therefore CGST 9%, SGST 9%, total tax will be sum of the 67.50 and 67.50. The total amount to paid for headphone will be 885 rupees. In this way, if you have asked any tax invoice to prepare, then in the same way you can write the chart, you can draw the chart and then place the values as given in the example. It was B2C, that is business to customer type of tax invoice. If you have asked to prepare B2B tax invoice, then you have to mention name of supplier, his GSTIN, invoice number, date. All points are same, but in after this you have to add name of the recipient, that is the party which purchase or the dealer which purchase the goods from supplier. After the information of supplier, we have to write information of recipient, and then form same type of table there. In this table, some changes are given in your textbook, but you can also prepare as like same like invoice and prepare that invoice also. One of the example number 7 is of that type. Ask in your homework, that is practice set 4.2 example number 7. Again practice this example and that example number 7. Solve other some examples. Study other some invoices around you in your home. If your father purchased some goods from market, ask him to show the tax invoices and study it in proper way. We will solve again some examples from problem set 4a. Now you have homework. Solve example number 7 from practice set 4.2.